It's Paddy here from Loco Scooters, your favourite one-stop shop for electric scooters in Ireland and beyond. I just wanted to give you a quick explanation as to why you should get your new electric scooter waterproofed. It's absolutely no secret that Ireland is quite a wet country. The East Coast had 150 days of rain in 2022 and the West Coast had 225 days. That's a lot of rain. Most electric scooter manufacturers will specify that their scooter is rated IP54 against water ingress. The user manual will then go on to further clarify that if water gets into the electronic components causing any damage, that this will not be covered under warranty. But that's a bit ridiculous, I hear you saying. Ireland's a very wet country. How can I not use my electric scooter in wet conditions? Well, the problem here is that most electric scooter manufacturers are manufacturing for a global market where it's warm and dry most of the year round. Not quite the case in Ireland, but Ireland is just a blip on their radar. That's why we offer you a full waterproofing service. We dismantle your electric scooter and we seal any electronic components with a clear weatherproof silicone. We do the same at any point of water ingress. And here's the best bit. If water gets into your scooter and causes any damage, we'll cover that in the warranty. We'll pay the cost so that you don't have to. The most important piece of advice that I can give to somebody buying their first, second, third or whatever electric scooter is to make sure to get it waterproofed at the point of purchase, or else you cannot use it when the ground is wet or it's raining. Thanks for checking this video out. For more information, why not check us out on social media on TikTok, Facebook and Instagram at Loco Scooters.